Hey guys, this is Coach JZ here with the Lifetime Athletes Training Tribe member programming for the week of March 8th, 2021. The Training Tribe, or T2, is our online group training and coaching platform. And if you're not yet a member and you'd like to learn more about it or possibly join, just check out Training Tribe at thelifetimeathlete.com. Now, getting right into the programming for our members this week, we're in that second month of the strength training block, and we're making absolutely no changes to the workout models that we're using. So we still have an A1, A2, which is the leg routines, which are the leg routines. We have B1 and B2, which are the upper body sessions, and then C1 and C2, which are the aerobic or cardio components of this week's training. The only exceptions will be we're going to be adding a few fun items to our weekly master classes. So the midweek master class, which is on Wednesday, the wind workout, will focus on mobility and use some elements of the functional movement screen as a way to help you become more aware of your movement pattern proficiency and to address issues if you find them. Also on Saturday of this week, the Saturday Smash workout is going to be the Wick stick session. And so if John Wick can kill 3 men with a single pencil, we should be able to get you a decent workout with just a stick. And you can certainly use a PVC pipe, a dowel, a curtain rod, a broomstick, whatever you've got, we can make it work. You can even use a stick from the wood. So that's what's going to happen. Now, specifically in the workouts, what I'd like to suggest that you do is in workout A1, really focus on your deadlift. We're really trying to maximize the proficiency with the hinge pattern and want to encourage you to put most of your effort and attention into the deadlift movement. When you go to workout A2, we're going to do the same thing, but now it's going to be with that box squat that you're performing. And so you can load that any way that you like, front, back, etc. But we're using that box and that technique. And just try to focus on really pushing that, because next week in our KPI, or key performance indicator test, we're going to use some of the things that we're doing this week. So there's no surprises or secrets, as you guys know. Same thing we're going to do with the B workout. So in that B1, you're going to put most of your effort on the incline row and see if you can just maximally progress your strength in that capacity. And then with workout B2, it's the bench press. So we're really just giving emphasis to those major lifts, major moves. One more thing to add is, as you know, you've been experimenting with RPE, which is rate of perceived exertion, as well as RIR, which is repetitions in reserve. Now, here's my preference, and it's only mine, but I like to use RPE as a way to grade an overall workout, to simply say that session was an 8 out of 10 for me. That makes a lot of sense. It's easy for me to do. When I use RIR personally, I find that works great with strength training exercises. So if I'm doing a set of, let's say, the bench press, and I finish up knowing that I've got about 2 reps left in the tank, that's an RIR of 2, and it just works great for me. So I've been putting both of those items in during this block to give you a chance to experiment with it. And what I might ask is, if you can jump onto the T2 forum and provide some feedback on what your preferences are for the use of RPE versus RIR, and I will certainly incorporate that into future programming. As you know, those things overlay the rep prescription. So if we're doing X sets of X reps, that's a general prescription, and then you select weights so that you can hit either those RPEs or the RIRs. So I think that's enough of that today. Guys, you're amazing. You're awesome. Thank you so much for being a part of the Training Tribe, and have a great week with your workouts.